In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Canva presentation to Google Slides. We'll start in Canva. Head to the Templates area and open it. In the search bar, type Slides to filter for presentation templates. Take a moment to browse through the options. Look for a design that matches your purpose and has enough slide layouts for your content, like title, section, and content slides. When you find one you like, select it and choose Customize this template. This opens the design in the Canva editor. Now you can make any edits you need. Update text, swap images, adjust colors, and add or remove slides to fit your story. It's a good idea to keep fonts and contrast accessible and to rename your design so it's easy to find later. When you're ready to export, go to the top right and click Share. From the menu, choose Download. You'll see a file type option. Click the current format to open the full list. Select PPTX. This is the standard PowerPoint file type, and it's the format Google Slides can import while keeping your slides editable. Before downloading, you can review options like which pages to include. If you're using any premium assets, make sure they're licensed or replaced to avoid watermarks. Click Download, and wait for Canva to prepare the file, then save it to a location you can find easily, like your desktop or a project folder. Next, go to Google Slides. Open a blank presentation just to enter the slides interface. In the top menu, click File, then choose Open. In the dialog that appears, switch to the Upload tab. Click Browse to open your computer's file picker. Locate the PPTX file you just downloaded from Canva and select it. Google Slides will upload and automatically convert the file. After a moment, your presentation opens as a fully editable Google Slides deck. Take a quick pass to review formatting. Check fonts, spacing, and any animations or transitions. Some effects may translate differently between platforms. Replace any missing fonts with available ones and verify that images and charts look crisp. That's it. You chose a Canva template, customized it, exported as a PPTX, and imported it into Google Slides. Now you can collaborate, present, or share just like any other slides file. If this was helpful, save this workflow for your next project.